My personal top 5 favorites. Placenta, including Swiss Evolution SPE. Similar to the expression plugs therapy, I prefer to use term placental therapy. Needless to say that the roots of this wonderful therapeutic tradition go centuries back, and many countries have tremendous experience of using various methods of preparation and extraction from placenta. Already more than 100 years ago, it was formally introduced into conventional medicine by world-renowned ophthalmologist famous for his innovation in reconstructive surgery of the eye, Professor Filatov. Since then, placental therapy went through a century of transformation, research, and optimization. Scientists have managed to break down the components of the placenta and identified specific biologically active compounds inside cells of placenta that produce the desired healing and anti-inflammatory effects. Some of those biologically active compounds, known as growth factors, not to be misunderstood with growth hormones, which are totally not the same. There are a few types of growth factors that have different effects. For instance, there are placental growth factors, vascular endothelial growth factors, platelet-derived growth factors, and so on and so forth. These enzymes function as activators and facilitators of such biological responses as tissue repair, cell replication and growth, production of new blood vessels, and regulate cellular cycle, cell differentiation, and cellular death, the apoptosis. As a daily oral supplement, placental therapy exists in few forms: PE soft gels, PE Evolution, and Swiss Evolution SPE. Additional benefits to this range of supplements are provided by other active ingredients which are of great value to health as well, and I have talked about some of them. For instance, coenzyme Q10, which we talked about during discussion of the 5 supplements essential for performance, is present in all of these 3 products. By the way, MF3 vegetal supplements and MCE Evolution, which do not contain nutrients of placenta, also contain CoQ10, also known as ubiquinol, as one of the active ingredients along with the others. We would have to make a separate video if we want to talk in details about benefits of PE soft gels, Evolution, and Swiss Evolution SPE. Important to say that MF3 PE soft gel supplements is one of the very few supplements in the world which is supported by the randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled study conducted in Switzerland. The results of the study are published and available for the public view. This randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled study has demonstrated dramatic improvement in density of the skin tissue, reduction of skin roughness, reduction of wrinkles, and significant improvement in the melanin index and reduction of pigmentations. In the same time, PE supplements provided a substantial shift in the sense of well-being and great improvement in quality of life. The story of placental therapy will not be complete without highlighting the product creation of which has once revolutionized aesthetic and regenerative medicine: nano-organopeptides placenta and mito-organelles placenta. Both NOP and MO placenta contain purified placenta-derived growth factors. Immaculate purity of nano and mitopeptides and the natural composition containing the full range of growth factors necessary for rapid tissue healing and repair define the outstanding therapeutic properties of these wonderful products. Wound healing, reduction of inflammation, regeneration of the extracellular matrix, age reversal and massive pain reduction, repair of the connective tissue. Make NOP and NMO placenta powerful tools in facial aesthetics and skin rejuvenation, cartilage regeneration, scar treatment, chronic lower back pain and cervical spine treatment, and many others. Let's not go far to give an example of outstanding efficacy of placental therapy. Few members of my family, senior citizens, were suffering with chronic lower back pain, neuralgia, sciatica, and knee osteoarthritis. It took I repeat, only one session of NOP placenta to cure sciatica pain in one of my relatives, and a couple of procedures to reduce symptoms of the knee osteoarthritis by 90% in another one. The range of applications of placental therapy is huge and its safety is exceptional, as long as the health experts from European Wellness have assessed the eligibility and suitability of the patient for the placental therapy. It can be used safely and with a great efficacy to help people with various health problems.